Welcome to Rose, a massive facility dedicated to the art of rose cultivation.
This impressive greenhouse spans over 30,000 square meters of land.
Inside, a controlled environment ensures the perfect conditions for growing premium roses.
Our team of over 70 dedicated employees works tirelessly every single day.
They perform essential tasks like pinching, bending, and pruning to maintain plant health. Removing dead leaves and canes is vital for the growth of high-quality blooms. When the time is right, our team begins the careful harvesting process. Each stem is cut by hand to ensure the highest quality for our customers. The harvested roses are immediately collected for further processing in our facility. To keep them fresh, the roses are placed in water buckets right after harvest. The cart is then transported to our specialized post-harvest facility for sorting. In the processing area, the roses undergo a precise calibration and sorting process. Our advanced equipment sorts the rosebuds by size with incredible accuracy. Skilled workers then assemble the sorted roses into uniform bunches of 10. Any unsuitable leaves or stems are removed to ensure a perfect product. Each bunch is carefully sleeved to protect the delicate petals during transport. Finally, the roses are moved to our pre-cooling facility to maintain freshness. Our facility also features a sophisticated irrigation system for optimal water management.
Beyond the greenhouse, we also maintain extensive open-air rose plantations.
Harvesting in the open fields requires the same dedication and care. We use specialized equipment like field sprayers for effective pesticide control. Once processed, the roses are ready for transportation to their final destination. Our team carefully loads the truck with the fresh bouquets.
The roses are now on their way to bring joy to customers everywhere.